Pinky and the Brain here. There we go. This show is really cool. You know, it's every month. The Chewy Liliana show. We're a bunch of lesbians get together, do comedy. All of our cycles are synced up. And whenever we feel bloated and moody, we get together and we tell vagina jokes, and it really helps. So this is a gay show, and I'm a lesbian. Woo! Thank you, folks. That's not the same reaction my mother had. But so we got lesbians here. Yeah.
How come they're louder for you?
Why? Because these are the members of the You Are What You Eat Club.
Oh man.
We got the gay boy here in the back. Woo-hoo! Little lesbro back there. Do we have any straight people though?
Yay!
Sometimes. Thank you, straight people, for pointing yourselves out. Thank you for pointing you out. You know, because I have a hard time telling you apart. You all look the same to me. You're cute when you're little, though. You're cute when you're little. You do love that. So we have a lot of different types of people in here, and it makes me think of an observation that I made the other day. Have you ever noticed you never find a butterfly and a dolphin and a rabbit in the same place unless you're in a dildo shop? And then they are always in the same place. That's just an observation. No, that's just an observation. So, I am a lesbian, but I do more identify as a hot mess. Is anyone else a hot mess in here? Yes.
Finally, I did it.
These are the hoes in the room. They are carrying around a toothbrush and clean underwear in their purse at all times.
My big purse.
Is that what you have to have to be a hot mess?
I got two purses.
Now these girls already know, but if you don't know, being a hot mess is like clinging to fabulousness, but you live your life in a different way. You live your life in a different way. Like, for the hot mess, mornings are for regrets. Every morning you get up and you automatically regret whatever it was you did the night before. Like, for instance, I will get up and say, oh God, I'm so hungover. I didn't even drink last night. I'm just that hungover. Can't believe I ate the entire box of Oreo cookies myself. That's a big hot mess thing. If you didn't know, food addiction is sometimes a problem. And here's the thing, like, if you're a drug addict, like, at least at one point in your life you were like, you know, a risk taker, you were a partier, you were a drug addict. When you're a food addict, it just means that you liked TV and taking second helpings. It's not as much glory. Another way to pick out a hot mess is when you see a girl, or a boy, in the train doing her makeup. That's going to be one of your hot messes. Not because she didn't have time to do it at home before she left the house, but because she needs that certain edge of danger to her morning routine. Like, oh girl, this mascara won't could blind me, but I don't care, I need to look fabulous. Let's see, what do we got next on the lineup here? Super professional. Oh, there is one thing that hot messes want more than anything else. And that is to be skinny. Hot messes want to be skinny more than anything else. And not just like, you know, like normal looking skinny. I'm talking like drenched Pomeranian skinny. Like I am like jealous of this microphone stand right now. It is making me look hot because I have to stand next to it and this bitch is way skinnier than me. But yeah, I try to work out. Anybody else try to work out? Yeah, I've heard of it, right? If you ever feel like life is short, just get on a treadmill. I'll put it right up for you. I do have a fitness goal. I have one fitness goal, and it is to stay on the treadmill longer than it takes to microwave a frozen dinner. I mean, 20 minutes, that's got to be at least 1 baked potato and 2 Hot Pockets, let's go. Like, fuck this shit, I'm just doing 1 Hot Pocket's worth now. One of the toughest things about being a lesbian, and tell me lesbians if you have this problem, is it is so awkward to be a lesbian in the gym locker room shower. It is so awkward because you don't want to be like the creepy lesbo, right? You don't want to do that. So, like, and there's nowhere to look. Where do you look? I don't know. So you can't look up, you can't look down, so you just like look at the floor. You're like, I am not creepy. Like, oh shit, they think I'm a foot fetishist. Just look at the ceiling. Oh god, just put soap in my eyes. Oh, no, I can't see anything. Shit, that was a really bad idea. Oh, I need my towel. I need my towel. I need my towel. Where's my towel? Oh shit, I'm so sorry. I touched your lip. See, that's why it's awkward to be a lesbian in the locker room shower. But as a lesbian, there is one thing that you can do that'll make you feel skinny. The one thing a lesbian can do to make her feel skinny, and I'm not just talking about getting a bigger head, because that would work also. But the one thing that you can do to feel skinny is date a fat girl. Nothing makes you feel skinny like dating a fat girl. I love it. And people have told me that I'm a chubby chaser. It's true, you know. But we all know fat girls don't run. So it's definitely like one of those things where you're like raising your self-esteem by lowering your standards. So, I'm single.
Not for long.
Not for long, apparently. But I recently broke up with this girl.
Aww.
I know, right?
Yay!
I met her on the internets. Has anyone tried internet dating? Yes, 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 no, no. Oh yeah, all right, yeah. Internet dating, tragic. Yes, well, I met her on one of those internet dating sites where you put in your words and it matches you up with compatibility with a person that's like you. It's like eHarmony for gay people. It's called Craigslist. I was trying to find a coffee table and my arm slipped and I got laid. But yeah, it didn't work out. This girl was a catch, but she was kind of a catch and release because she was a dominatrix.
What?
What? And like, I like S&M, but I just feel like I'm really bad at it. I really tried. Like, this girl would bust in and she'd be like, "What's your slave name?" And I'd be like, "Harriet Tubman." She'd be like, "I'm gonna whip you now." And I'd be like, "Okay, master." She'd be like, "That's not funny." Whip away. So here's an interesting fact. I'm the only girl I know that has never been roofied. Should I take that as a hint? I mean, if all my friends have been roofied, does that mean that I'm the fugly one? I'm not saying that I want to be raped. I'm not saying that. But it'd be nice to be considered. So a roofie is like 20 bucks, right? How do I know that? But now a roofie is like 20 bucks, and I feel like I'm worth that, you know? For 20 bucks, you could have this. Unconscious. And drooling. Well, I don't want the embarrassment of having to roofie myself, so I'm gonna leave my cup right here on the stage. So if anyone wants some non-consensual sex, you know where to go. Thank you all very much. My name is Arlee Chadwick.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
You're dealing with a domination.
I flew off the last one.
You don't mess around. You guys thought it was just a comedy show.
Yeah.
What happened?
7.
Oh, wait a minute.
There's not that awkward about this.
Oh, I'm so glad it's not my birthday.
And one for good luck.
One for good luck.
Chewy gets to give a good
Knock her
luck
off
one.
the stage.
Well, Chewy gets to give a good luck one.
Tight fight. Tight fight.
It's a comedy show, people.
That's
right. All right.
Bang.
All right, everybody. Now, this is a free comedy show. We end that wonderful night of Hail to the Bee with an amazing